Oh, I forgot I ordered a flashlight. Can you tell Mason to go get my flashlight?
Hey, Davey says to go pick up his flashlight that he ordered.
What was that?
Mason either hasn't turned on his walkie or he's dead.
I heard like a cute little sneeze sound.
The FitnessGram Pacer test is a multi-stage aerobic capacity test that progressively gets more difficult as it continues. The 20-meter Pacer test will begin in 30 seconds. Line up at the start.
What was that?
Starts slowly, but gets faster each minute you hear this A single lap should be completed each time you hear this sound. Remember to run in a straight line and run as long as possible.
What is
The
that?
second time you fail to complete a lap before the sound, your test is over. The test will begin on the word start. On your mark, get ready, start.
Nice.
There was so much shit back there.
Yeah.
The FitnessGram Pacer test is a multi-stage
Parker, there is a bunch of stuff out there, so be careful. Don't talk. Be quiet.
The 20-meter Pacer test will begin in 30 seconds.
What?
Line up at the start. The running speed starts slowly, but gets faster each minute you hear this.
Oh no,
A single
Parker.
lap should be completed each
Parker.
time you hear this sound. Remember to run in a straight line.
Buddy, I don't know where
You are or what you're
The
doing.
second time
The green
you
arrow
hear
goes
this
toward the ship,
lap
don't it?
before the
Oh.
sound, your test is over.
Oh no, Parker
The test will
might be
begin
fucked.
on the word start.
Oh, he's going the right
On your
way.
mark,
Who the fuck is reading the goddamn Pacer test?
What?
The FitnessGram
Come here.
test is a multi-stage
Some-
aerobic capacity test.
He
Somebody
dropped
was
an
reading
item.
the goddamn. He dropped two items. He's dropped two items.
Listening, but we'll need another walkie and a flashlight. But did you guys hear? They're saying all kinds of crazy shit. Like they're repeating our lines and like quotes from books and shit.
I've been hearing like the fucking FitnessGram Pacer test shit.
Yes, I heard that too.
I heard one about like fairy princesses in magical kingdoms.
That's all been me. This item. This item I have.
Once upon a time, there was a magical princess.
Oh.
I've just been following you guys around.
Let's
hitting
sell
that.
this big shit. The big shit that's in the way.